If you need to cancel your HBO Max subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the HBO Max website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Select subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled subscription or billing. Click on this option to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Find the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as cancel subscription or manage subscription. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide feedback or confirm your decision. Make sure to receive a confirmation message or email to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your HBO Max subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.